What's up guys, it's Levi from Wall Street Survivor, and today we're talking Robinhood. So welcome to my 2020 Robinhood review, where we're going to find out, is Robinhood legit? Now to give some context, I've been using Robinhood since about 2018, and yes, short answer, it's absolutely legit. Wall Street Survivor has been partnered with Robinhood for a while now, because we truly believe it's the best brokerage for beginning investors. And because we don't want you to miss out on the best app for starting in the stock market, I have to let you know that right now, if you sign up for a Robinhood account using the link in the description below, they'll give you a free stock worth up to $500 absolutely free. Not only is it free, but Robinhood has no account minimum, so if you don't have the money to fund the account right now, that's totally fine. Like I said, Wall Street Survivor is affiliated with Robinhood, so they help us out for letting you guys know about the app. But really, it's a win-win. You get a free stock, help us out for making this video, and you get to start building your investing future with the best app on the market. So let's get into it. First, we're going to talk features. I'll show you all my favorite parts about the app. Then I'm going to show a quick demo of the app so you can see how simple and seamless it is to invest with Robinhood. We'll end up talking about what I do and don't like about the app, and then you'll be all set to start investing. First, let's get into some features. So as I already mentioned, the best part about Robinhood is that it's fee-free to trade their stocks. Now, many investors have followed along in their trend, but they were really the first investing brokerage to charge zero trade commission fees. You can buy most stocks and equities as well as ETFs and pay nothing when you buy and sell them. Also, as I mentioned earlier, there's zero account minimum. Many brokerages will make you put in a certain amount of money if you want to start investing with them. But with Robinhood, you can wait to fund your account as long as you need to. As you guys will see in a second, the user interface is super simple and seamless. Navigating the app is super easy. Not only that, but Robinhood does their best to try to educate you along the way. The next great feature is one that they actually just introduced. It's called fractional share trading, which means that for stocks that have a really expensive share price, you're actually able to invest with as little as $1 in almost any stock on the market. For instance, Amazon is trading at over $2,000 a share, and you can buy a little piece of Amazon with just $1. Now for those of us who are a little bit more advanced traders, Robinhood also has options trading. I personally have not used that feature, but Robinhood integrates it very seamlessly within the app. Right next to the buy sign, there's also an option to trade options. Last thing, one thing I wanted to hint at is their cryptocurrency trading function, which is just like basically buying a stock or another equity on their app. It's super simple and easy to use, and you'll see it when I run through the app in a second. So this is what it looks like when you log into the app. Simple, clean interface as I mentioned already. You can see exactly where your portfolio is at and toggle between these time frames down here at the bottom. I really like this second feature here called Robinhood Cards. It has all the stock related news, so it will give you some general information about what's going on in the stock market that day. A lot of it's tailored to what your holdings actually are. So I'll just scroll through and you guys can see a couple of headlines here. If you go down, it actually shows you your holdings and you can organize the view in any way that you want. If you click here, you can display data based on total equity, total return, today's return, last price, or percent change. I'll just scroll through here and you guys can see what I own and what's doing well and what's not doing well. This is where I said the cryptocurrency tab is. Right down here below the cryptocurrencies, you'll have your watch list, and it's really important to use this feature because it's really helpful to track stocks that you're looking to buy in the future. If you go over to the little hourglass in the center, this is where you actually can search and buy stocks. So let's say I want some Starbucks. I can search the ticker symbol or the name here, click on it, it'll show you the price movements. You can toggle between, again, the timeline just like you would in your portfolio. And if you scroll down, it will show you some of the financial stats as well, along with related news stories that may affect the stock's price. Another really cool feature is Robinhood's analyst ratings. It will tell you that out of a team of analysts, how many recommend buying, selling, or holding the stock. I find it really helpful to look through those when I'm thinking about purchasing a stock. And they also create lists or playlists of different stocks. As you can see, Starbucks here is featured in the coffee list, 100 most popular restaurants, and several other lists on the app. So, say I wanted to buy a share of Starbucks and I was convinced that this was right for my portfolio, I would hit this big red trade button down here, hit buy, specify the number of shares that I wanted, or if I wanted to use my fractional shares, I can buy in a dollar amount rather than in a share amount, specify that here, click review, and then you swipe up to submit. Now I'm not going to go through the process of buying Starbucks today because I haven't done my proper research, but as soon as you swipe up to submit, it's a pretty instantaneous process, provided you're not trading too much volume of one stock. So let's go to the Profile tab really quick. You'll find this menu, and these tabs here all will tell you a little bit about your account. This is where you'll hook your bank account up and link it with the Robinhood app to transfer money in and out really easily. That's honestly most of the features of the app. As you can see, it's super simple and easy to navigate, like I said earlier. Hopefully you guys got a good idea of what some of the features are and saw that it's pretty simple and easy to use the app. Okay, so let's talk about what I like and don't like about Robinhood. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there are no fees for trading stocks. When you buy, when you sell, it doesn't matter. It's all free on Robinhood, which is a huge advantage to beginning traders who don't really have a lot of money to invest or initially put into the stock market right away. Secondly, like I talked about, user interface and navigation on the app, again, super simple to use as you guys just saw. The simplicity, convenience, and comprehensive nature of the app really put together a great package for beginning investors. So for a few things I don't like, just so you guys know what's out there, the first point is that the data and research that's available on the Robinhood app is not quite as extensive as a lot of resources out there. But there are a lot of free websites you can use to supplement your Robinhood account, such as Yahoo Finance or M1 Finance. They give you a lot of advanced data, both into companies and on more advanced stock trading techniques and technical analysis. So Robinhood does a really good job educating people with their simple trading techniques, but for some of the more advanced trading techniques that they have available, such as options and margins trading, they don't quite educate you as much as I think they should. If you do want to start trading options or margin trading on Robinhood, I would suggest doing some more research outside of the app and outside of the platform in order to be better informed on exactly what you're doing, what you're risking, and where the money that you're investing is going. One final thing that I just wanted to point out, I've had some trouble personally linking it with a few of my bank accounts. For most it works great, but for some Robinhood doesn't have the capability to link. So that's just one thing to watch out for that I thought I'd include. Ultimately though, I'm still absolutely 100% Team Robinhood. I think it's the best brokerage for investors that are just starting out. For any beginning investor, it's a great place to start a portfolio. Just to remind you guys, if you sign up now using the link below in the description, you get a free stock worth up to $500. So definitely take advantage of that today. If you guys have any more questions, make sure to read our full review at the Wall Street Survivor blog. I'll throw the link in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this coming really soon. See you guys next time.